Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Guerrilla 350. Known for their timeless design and reliable performance, Royal Enfield has once again delivered a machine that blends classic appeal with modern-day functionality. The Guerrilla 350 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of style and capability, tailored for those who crave both adventure and simplicity. At the heart of the Guerrilla 350 lies a 349cc single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine that delivers smooth power with a distinct thump, a signature of Royal Enfield. Producing around 20 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the engine ensures a balanced ride, whether you're cruising city streets or exploring open highways. The 5-speed gearbox shifts seamlessly, offering a versatile performance range that's easy for beginners to handle yet satisfying for seasoned riders. The design of the Guerrilla 350 is unmistakably retro-modern, combining the rugged charm of old-school motorcycles with subtle contemporary touches. Its sculpted fuel tank, minimalist graphics, and round LED headlamp exude a nostalgic vibe, while features like alloy wheels and a digital analog instrument cluster add a modern edge. The bike is offered in a variety of matte and metallic finishes, ensuring there's a look to match every rider's personality. One of the standout features of the Guerrilla 350 is its comfortable ergonomics. The wide handlebars and midi-set footpegs create a relaxed riding posture, ideal for both short commutes and long journeys. The suspension setup, a telescopic fork at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, has been tuned to handle diverse road conditions, offering a plush ride without compromising stability. Braking is handled by disc brakes at both ends, paired with dual-channel ABS for confident stopping power. Royal Enfield has also incorporated practical features like a USB charging port, making it easier to stay connected on the go. The digital analog display provides essential information at a glance, including trip meters, a fuel gauge, and even turn-by-turn navigation when paired with your smartphone. These thoughtful additions make the Guerrilla 350 as practical as it is stylish. What truly sets this motorcycle apart is its adaptability. With its lightweight chassis and manageable seat height, the Guerrilla 350 feels equally at home in urban traffic as it does on winding country roads. It's a bike designed for riders who want a reliable companion for everyday use, but also the freedom to venture off the beaten path. As we wrap up, the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 350 proves to be a worthy addition to the brand's lineup. It carries forward Royal Enfield's legacy of crafting motorcycles that are more than just machines, they're experiences. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned enthusiast, the Guerrilla 350 promises a ride that's as engaging as it is accessible. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines timeless design, reliable performance, and modern features, the Guerrilla 350 might just be your perfect match. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 350, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new release, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ride safe and see you soon.